Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning 25 most common verbs. Let's get started. To be,
是
to have,
有
to do,
做
to go,
去
to come,
来
to see,
看
to know,
知道
to think,
想
to say,
说
to want,
要
to give,
给
to take,
拿
to use,
用
to find,
找到
to tell,
告诉
to work,
工作
to call,
叫
to feel,
感觉
to try,
是
to ask,
问
to need,
需要
to become,
成为
to leave,
离开
to put,
放
to mean,
意味着
Quiz time.
叫用 知道 给 需要 去
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.